Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious and hearty lentil soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, thoroughly rinsed. Prepare 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion, all finely diced. Have 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes ready. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin to add wonderful flavor. These simple components form the foundation of our comforting soup. Now, let's start building those incredible flavors. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your diced onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become nicely softened. Then, stir in the minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, cooking for just 1 minute more until fragrant. This step creates a rich base for our soup. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the star of the show, the lentils. Pour in your rinsed lentils, the 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Give everything a good stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. The lentils will become wonderfully tender, and the soup will naturally thicken to a perfect consistency. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to elevate our lentil soup. Taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a burst of freshness, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro right before serving. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can blend about 1/4 of the soup using an immersion blender, then stir it back in. Serve your warm, comforting homemade lentil soup with a side of crusty bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.